Look at this channel. It has over 22,000 subscribers and only 164 videos. Now here's the crazy part. This is not just one lucky channel. There are hundreds of channels creating this exact type of content. Many of them are getting millions of views and earning hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars every single month. Here's the proof. The best part is, you can create the same style of videos using only your smartphone, completely free. No expensive software, no powerful computer, no advanced editing skills. Just follow this step-by-step tutorial. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these videos yourself. Let's get started.
Step 1. Generate your prompt. Open ChatGPT. Click on Plugins. Select GPTs on the drop menu. Search for ASMR. Open the first ASMR GPT. Type ASMR video. Now choose an object and a color. For this example, I'm using a red apple. You can use any object and any color you like. Type ASMR video prompt. The GPT will generate a detailed video prompt. Copy the entire prompt.
Step 2. Now let's create the video. Open the YouTube Create app. Tap the plus button. Select Generate Video. If you don't see this feature, connect to a free VPN and choose the United States as your location. The Generate Video option should now appear. Paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT. Tap Generate. Wait for the AI to finish creating your video. If you only need one short clip, you can move to the final step. But if you want to make a longer short or even a long-form video, keep watching. Tap the plus button again. Select Generate Video.
Now go back to ChatGPT. On the same ASMR GPT, enter a different object and color. For example, try a yellow banana, a green watermelon, or anything else you want. Copy the new prompt. Return to the YouTube Create app. Paste the prompt. Tap Generate. Wait until the video is ready. If you don't like the result, tap Try again.
Once you're happy with the video, tap Use this video. Repeat the same process to create as many clips as you want. Then, combine all the clips into one project. Now it's time to export your video. Tap Download or Export. Choose 60 frames per second. Set the resolution to 2K. Tap Export. Wait until the export is complete. Your video is now saved to your gallery and is ready to upload to YouTube. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Also, check out my previous video where I created a viral AI rescue short. Thanks for watching.